Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can open the user mode in the dryer Miele. In the first step, you have to turn on your device, select the any program and open the doors of your dryer. In the next step, you have to hold the start button for 3-2 seconds and wait until it lights up constantly. So let's tap on the start button and close the doors. As you can see, now we have the P01 mode, the section, so that means we are in the user mode. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.